Hello, this is Robert and this is Adventures in Vimming. I have this script. I had this uploaded to VK. I was doing some kind of demonstration with this. And so I don't really remember what the exact purpose of this was. That has been lost to the sands of time. But I thought I would go in the opposite direction. I have the script and I'm going to generate some data to kind of express this script there, and I want to go through it briefly. Wherever we see a pop, we're going to put this pattern here, okay, and then we're going to set some counters. The main thing is we're have two sets of counters. This is a replacement template here. This one counts up x equals x plus 1, and then we substitute on the line with the contents of x, and then we do the same thing with y. We subtract 1 from y, and then we do the replacement here on the same line. So one of the things we'll notice is that we execute at normal, and this is a carriage return here. So wherever we see a y, so we're going to execute this, and then we're going to gather these things up. And so this last line here, we do a V or visual mode for an entire line, and then we cursor down or go down 4 lines, and then we join all those lines together. That's what this one is doing, and that's doing this pattern here. This is the this is based on these strings here, and so that's some kind of 0 or something, and then we're matching those. So we're gonna, without any further ado, let's go to the other one, which is the sync. What we're going to do is we're going to express this data, and what we're going to do here is looking for an end of sentence, and this represents an end of sentence. It's one or more alpha characters followed by a period, and then we have one or more spaces. That's say an end of a sentence. So that's where we're going to put our replacements at. We're going to put this kind of pattern in that sentence there. And this is our sample text. I pulled this off of Project Gutenberg, Brief History of English and American Literature. These are included in the work files on VK. So anyway, without any further ado, let's go ahead and source sync. This will be the first one. So we'll do source sync vim. Okay. And then let's look. It's C is our, so we're going to do, this is like a macro here, so we're going to do 999 at C. So that's going to go through, and we're going to do a committed save here, and then we're going to do a comparison to see exactly what we changed. So we've got quite a few changes we're going to have here. So okay. So I'm going to do a committed save, and then we're going to go into the EX mode, and then we'll do mark file, J, mark file, MD for differences, then we'll do GG to go up to the top. Oh yeah, we got lots of, and what I like to do is, I'm going to do set wrap, and you need to do these on both sides, so we'll do it over on here, so we can see the differences. So it interpreted this, even though this is not an end of a sentence, in this script, our regular expression made this an end of a sentence, so it rendered this. So we were prepared for it. And then one of the other things that we cursored down 4 lines, and then we went to the end of the line, that's the $sign, and then we did an append. And we added 6 semicolons. That's what is here. So in that standpoint, we're ready for the other script. So let's go ahead and we'll do an only. Okay, and we'll go back up to the top, and then we're going to do a dirty Vim. This is the other one where we increment those. So source dirty.vim. So it's, and then we're going to do another committed save. Then we're going to go into the EX again. Now we're going to compare this one, mark file, to this one, mark file, MD, and we're going to say set wrap. Then we're going to come over here and say set wrap here. And so, let's see. Oh, okay, here it is right here. So this one right here, so on this string here, this is where we do we see any pops here? That may have not have huh. Okay. Sometimes when you're working with scripts, you know, it's good to look at it from the other angle and actually go the opposite way. Let's see. Now we do have a 0. Let's see if we have any lines of these. These are the ones that got this substring here. Let's see if we have any of these in here. Let's see. I've forgotten which one. Let's look at the latest one. And okay, let's see. I don't think we have any of those. Let's see. Huh. Well, apparently I did. But this is, so I kind of gave an example. I had 2 counters going. So anyway, that's Adventures in Vim today. I'll try to get more interesting stuff. I kind of like to do stuff that nobody else really talks about, and kind of explore the other aspects. And even though I'm not perfect, I like to kind of demonstrate what Vim can do instead of just the rote technical stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a good Vim day. Bye.